silicon blob is smashed on a floral silk screen, creating uniform plate designs. Epoxy floor installation goes undisturbed using spiked shoes. A sheep gets quickly sheared with electric hand shears. Water is extracted from a golf cup using a pressurized hand tool. Is rapidly created using a pre-programmed robotic paint machine. An old tractor tire with a hole is used to distribute cattle feed. Two templates collide over warm plastic to coat a toolkit box. Bobcat suspended by a crane destroys a dilapidated building. rapidly cleaning up a shooting range floor using an ammo upcasing collector. Biodegradable seedling trays are made with paper and wood tools. Tupo robot moves vertically to create a smooth plaster finish. Excess water from power washing is captured using a roof leak diverter. Fins of a heat sink are skivved with a sharp blade and water. Bent farm posts are straightened with an industrial post straightener. A U.S. Marshal insignia is engraved using a powerful laser. Two blade rotors spin in opposite directions to create optimal lift. Giant plastic screws powered by a motor traverse through snow. An oscillating sharpening stone mechanically sharpens a sawmill blade. Various automated arms work in unison to create the perfect crepe. A twisting machine creates a metal turbulator for heating purposes.
Is weighed, portioned, and packaged precisely with robotic stabilizing and slicing arms. Carcasses of lamb are processed in seconds via a series of robotic stabilizing arms and chop saws. Motion and a chain link contraption work in unison to wrap an expertly stuffed flatbread.